Hello guys, this is Alisha Mordhya and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Haq Se Nari. Okay guys, so today we're going to talk about a very sensitive issue and an issue which has become very controversial on social media these days. Feminist movement or feminism. Okay, so guys, in a very simple way, feminist movement is basically a movement which aims at providing women an equal society, that too of men. A movement which fights for women's equal rights in various sectors, politically, socially, economically. Okay, so the sad part is teenagers coming up on social media these days are learning from us. So we all are busy talking about pseudo-feminism, fake feminism. There are various content, there are various videos on Instagram and so many like social media platform where they're talking about why they are not feminists and why these things are controversial, why it is problematic. So why don't you think it is a need of that we should talk about what it actually means? What it actually aim at? I feel very bad when I see some people who shy admitting that they are feminist. Okay, so teenagers even feel cool talking about pseudo feminism, fake feminism, but they do not feel cool talking about feminism in reality. They feel that feminism is a negative concept altogether, and it is because of us. So I get so many people who say, okay, I believe in the equality between men and women, but why this movement is called feminist movement? So they shy calling themselves feminist and they feel कि feminist movement में नाम ही ऐसा है जो female को superior कर रहा है या female को prioritize कर रहा है. Okay, come on, it is not like that. You know what? Feminist movement का नाम newly made नहीं है. Feminist movement has got its existence, its identity long back. Okay, if we talk about history, first wave of feminism began in 1848. There were around 300 men and women who got together and who fought for equal right of women, equal right to vote, because men were already having and women were not. So they rallied in urge of getting women equal right to vote in Seneca Falls, New York. And since then we have various other waves. We have second wave of feminism, third wave, fourth wave of feminism, and all these wave of feminism have been talking about different inequalities, different discrimination, subordination that women have been facing in society. They all have aiming at fighting for women's equal rights politically, socially, economically, like when women do not get equal pay, or sexual violence which happens with women, domestic violence, and these topics. So they have never aimed at making proving that men are inferior. No. Feminist movement works towards equality of women, that too of men. It's never support sexism against men or women, and it always support equality. So the people who have problem with its term feminist movement or feminism, okay, I have a question for you guys. ये बहुत पहले term हुआ and it has been going since then. आज तक भी हमें एक equal society मिल नहीं पाई है. So the question arises कि अब आने वाले साल हम इस movement का नाम बदलने में लगा दें या इसका actual idea promote करें. So I tried contacting my friends and I asked them to record what they actually mean by feminism, because this video completely aimed at explaining what feminism is in reality, and what youth says about feminism, and how people are not shy to call themselves feminists, because we want everybody should be proud to call themselves feminist instead of being shy. And also how this movement is not restricted to any religion, any culture, any caste, any creed, any sexes, anything. So this movement is to uplift women and to get women equal rights and to get women an equal society across the world. So I hope you're gonna like it.
नमस्कार, मैं आयुष गुप्ता IIIT भोपाल से। एक ऐसा सिद्धांत जो नारी को पुरुष के समान अधिकार व अवसर दिलाने की बात रखे वो नारीवाद या फेमिनिज्म है। एंड यस, आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट।
Hello everyone and Jai Hind. I am Dakshita Lodha from Maharani College, Jaipur and also an NCC cadet. If asking for equal rights in a society or aspiring for a society where it doesn't matter if it's Daksh or Dakshita, but what actually matters is their talents, their achievements, their struggles of life, then I am proud to say that yes, I am a feminist and I aspire such society.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Halima and I am from St. Xavier's College, Jaipur. हकूक़ निस्वा का असली मकसद उन मुनज़्ज़म इक़्दम मसवात को चैलेंज करना है जिनका हम ख़वातीन को रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में सामना करना पड़ता है। Yes, I am a feminist.
Hello guys, myself Karan Sharma. I am a first year student of National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. Today I am going to promote my views on feminism. Feminism doesn't mean that it promotes sexism or any type of inequalities among men and women. It promotes equal opportunities in all the sectors of society, either that person is a man or a woman. And yes, I promote feminism and I am a feminist.
नमो नमः। मम नाम सुस्मिता कांतवाल। अहं राष्ट्रीय संस्कृत विद्यापीठे तिरुपतिनगरे पठन्ती अस्मि। अद्यहं नारीवादविषये किञ्चित् वदामि। नारीवादः अथवा स्त्री अधिकारवादः परिभाषयति यत् राजनैतिक, सामूहिक, इतोपि आर्थिक स्थितौ लिङ्गभेदं विना स्त्रीसमता। तर्हि प्रश्नः आगच्छति, नारीवादस्य लक्ष्यः कः? नारीणां दैनिकदिनजीवने अभिमुखीक्रियमाणाः असामान्यतायाः दूरीकरणमेव नारीवादस्य लक्ष्यः। अहम् एका नारीवादी अस्मि। धन्यवादः।
Hi, this is Ishika Sharma and I am from Arch College and feminist is not just about that boys are better than girls or girls are better than boys. It is just that giving an equal opportunities to each and everyone, and yes, I am a feminist.
પ્રાંજલ પટેલ, રાજસ્થાન યુનિવર્સિટીની છાત્રા, નારીવાદનું સમર્થન કરું છું। મહિલાઓ દરરોજ પ્રણાલીગત અસમાનતાઓનો સામનો કરે છે। અસમાનતાઓને ચુનૌતી આપવાનું નારીવાદનું લક્ષ્ય છે। નારીવાદ પુરુષોના અહેત કે મહત્વ ઓછું નથી કરતું। નારીવાદ કોઈ પણ સંજોગમાં લિંગવાદનું સમર્થન નથી કરતું। નારીવાદ સમાનતાની દિશામાં કામ કરે છે, નહીં કે નારી શ્રેષ્ઠતા માટે। અને હા, હું નારીવાદી છું।
नमस्कार, मैं सुमित कुमावत, एम्स नागपुर से। एक बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी है कि फेमिनिज्म वर्ड का मतलब होता है टू प्रायोरिटाइज फीमेल। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। फेमिनिज्म का मतलब होता है टू प्रोवाइड देम इक्वलिटी। सो यस, आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट।
Hi, my name is Vikas, currently studying at IIT Kharagpur. So, Feminism is the doctrine advocating social, political and all other rights of women equal to those of men. And yes, I am a feminist.
Hello everyone, I am Videsh Mehta and I am a student of Art Initial College of Art and Design. Do you know that feminism does not support women's superiority? It is all about giving equal rights and opportunities to women across the world. And yes, I am a feminist too.
ന്റെ വിനീതമായ നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ ചഞ്ചൽ കൃഷ്ണ, യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഓഫ് മഹാറാണി കോളേജിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. ഞാൻ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു ഫെമിനിസം. ഫെമിനിസം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സ്ത്രീകൾക്കും പുരുഷന്മാർക്കും ഈക്വലായ സ്റ്റേറ്റസ് കൊടുക്കാനായി സ്ട്രൈവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് പറയുന്നത് ഫെമിനിസം. അല്ലാതെ പുരുഷന്മാർക്ക് താഴ്ന്ന സ്ഥാനവും സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് ഉയർന്ന സ്ഥാനവും കൊടുക്കാനായി അല്ല. ആൻഡ് യെസ്, ഐ ആം എ ഫെമിനിസ്റ്റ്.
Hey guys, this is Somali Chaudhary and I am from Delhi University. আমার জন্য নারীবাদীর অর্থ, সত্যকারের অর্থ হচ্ছে সমান অধিকার, সমান সুযোগ নারী এবং পুরুষের জন্য। And yes, I am a feminist and I am proud to say that.
जय श्री राम, मेरा नाम पिनाक पंडित आदिज है। मैं आज आप सभी के सामने फेमिनिज्म यानी नारी के अधिकारों का समर्थन यानी नारी के जो अधिकार है उनके बारे में बात करने जाऊंगा और आपको वही समझाऊंगा कि नारी के किन अधिकारों का हमें समर्थन करना चाहिए। नारी के सर्वांगीण विकास के अधिकार, जितने भी विकास के अधिकार जो नारी के लिए हित में हैं और जो समाज के अंदर नारी का एक अलग स्थान प्रदान करेंगे, जो नारी को पुरुषों के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर रखने के जो अधिकार है उन सभी का हमें समर्थन करना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा मानना है और यही एक्चुअल फेमिनिज्म है। यस, आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट। థ్యాంక్ యూ।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నా పేరు రాధా, నేను ఐటీ ఉద్యోగురాలిని. నా ప్రకారం ఫెమినిజం అనగా స్త్రీలకి పురుషులకి సమాన హక్కులు కలిగి ఉండాలి. అందుకే నేను గర్వంగా చెప్పగలను నేను ఫెమినిస్ట్ని అని.
जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियाँ समझना इनको वस्त्र, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियाँ समझना इनको वस्त्र, ये बेड़ियाँ पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। Feminism is a theory which talks about political, economic and social equalities of genders. It is not mandating and it is not associated with a particular gender. It's a fight, a struggle against a particular system which unfortunately still exists in our society. We can and we will smash patriarchy. Yes, I am a feminist.
Hey, my name is Janu Gangwal and I'm from JCS University, Jaipur, and I believe that feminism is about leveling the playing field for the genders and ensuring that diverse women and girls should get equal opportunities as the men and boys get. And yes, I'm a feminist.
नमस्कार, मु लिप्सा मिश्र आईटी कंपनी काम करे हैदराबाद रे। मो हिसाब रे फेमिनिज्म माने पुरुष और स्त्री दिजन जकर समान अधिकार अच्छी, सेथिपाई मु कहूची मु गोटे फेमिनिस्ट। थैंक यू।
I'm Nisha and I'm a student of Delhi University. I feel feminism is all about equal growth, to bring women to the level of men and then grow both of them equally. There should not be anything lopsided, be it from any side. And yes, I am a feminist.
Hi, this is Alisha Mordhia, a student of Delhi University, and we all aspire for an equal society for men and women, and we all support equality. And yes, we are feminists. And what about you? So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you really liked the video, if it made sense to you, please share among your friends. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Lots of love and more power to us.